Hey there, and welcome again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to host multiple websites on a single VPS using CyberPanel. We'll walk through setting up the websites, installing WordPress, and efficiently managing your resources. Ready? Let's get started. All right, first things first. We need to make sure your system is working correctly. To get started, check the status of the CyberPanel service using lscpd.service to confirm everything is running smoothly. Just open your terminal and run this command. If the service is active and running, you're good to go. Let's move on to the next step. Next, log into your VPS. You can do this using SSH or any remote access tool you prefer. To access CyberPanel, use your VPS IP address and port 8090 in the browser. Once you're logged in, you're all set to start managing your websites. Now, the next step is to create your first website. In CyberPanel, go to the Website section and click the Create Website tab. Here are the settings you need to fill out. Package. Leave this set to the default. Owner. Choose admin. Domain name. Pick a domain name for your new website. Email. Enter your email address for notifications. PHP version. Select the PHP version you need. Create mail domain. Select this option to set up email services for your domain. Once you've filled everything in, click Create Website. After a moment, you should see a message saying, "Website successfully created." All right, moving on to make sure everything went through smoothly. Go to the List Websites menu, and you should see your newly created website listed. Then, open a new tab in your browser and type in your domain name to check if the site is live. If the website is up and running, awesome. You're ready for the next step. All right, now that the website is created, it's time to manage it. In the List Websites section, find your website and click Manage. You'll be taken to the management page, where you can adjust the settings. You should see the status marked as active. If you want, you can tweak any settings here as needed. Next, it is time to install WordPress on your website. In that regard, refer to the management area, scroll down to the WordPress section, and click on Install Now. You'll need to fill in a few details, such as the admin username, password, and email address. Once you hit Install, CyberPanel will handle the rest. Once installation is complete, you can access your WordPress dashboard by going to this address. Log in, and you're all set to start customizing your website. If your website requires any specific PHP extensions, you can easily install them through Cyberpanel. Just go to the PHP menu and under the Install Extensions section, select the version of PHP you're using. From there, you can install any extensions you need for your website. Now, at the one further step that we've got one website set up, let's create another. Go back to the List Websites section and click Create Website again. Follow the same steps as before, and once it's done, the new website will appear in the list. Repeat the WordPress installation process for your second website, just like we did for the first. Okay, we'll tweak the settings a bit. Go to the File Manager and refresh the website list. Now, navigate to Home, then List Packages, and click Edit on the package you want to modify. Adjust the following settings. Domains, set it to 20, or however many you want. Bandwidth, set it to 1000 or your preferred value. Email accounts, Set this to 1000 or your preferred value. Next, go to Create Packages and set up a new package. Here we use the following settings. Once that's done, hit Create Packages and check for the success message. Finally, let's apply the new package to your website. Go to the Website menu, then List Websites. Find your website, click Manage, and select the new package you just created. Apply the settings and save your changes. You should see a success message confirming the new package has been installed. And that's it. You've successfully set up multiple websites on a single VPS, installed WordPress, and learned how to manage your resources with CyberPanel. You can repeat these steps for each new website you want to host. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.